loyal o mas madaling nang mahuli ang hindi loyal? Okay. Mas mahirap na bang maging loyal o mas madali nang mahuli ang hindi loyal? Sa social media era ngayon. Yes.
Sa social media era ngayon, parang ang pagiging loyal naman, choice mo yun eh. So, kahit na anong temptation ang meron sa social media, kung loyal ka, walang magiging problema. Ang madali lang ngayon, madaling mahuli, madali kang mabuko pag may
Resibo.
ginawa ka kasi meron ng digital footprint.
Oh. Saka, wait. Is liking a photo showing disloyal or disloyalty na? Would you consider that? Liking a photo, di ba, Kira?
I think it depends on what type of photo it is.
Okay.
Ayun.
Anybody? Sophia, ikaw. Alam kong nervous ka ngayon eh. Sobrang ka sa kape. Masasagutin kita. Is liking a photo, as simple as liking a photo.
Liking, for me, it's alright. Pero yung following yun.
Ah.
The following.
Ah.
Ba't yun?
Medyo, agree ako dyan. Okay, again, others. Yung tanong, mas mahirap pa maging loyal. Janine, mas mahirap pa maging loyal ngayon? Sa era ng social media?
Mas mahirap ba maging loyal? I guess kung hindi ka talaga loyal na tao, mas madaming temptation. Kasi mas nagiging accessible yung mga tao eh. Parang mas madali mo silang pwedeng makakonekta kasi isang DM lang or gano'n. Pero kung loyal ka naman talaga na tao, then it shouldn't be a factor. Siguro mas nare-reveal lang niya kung anong klaseng tao ka talaga. At saka yun nga, may mga resibo. So, if you're with someone na hindi mo dapat kasama, mas may chances na mahuhuli ka.
From a guy's POV naman, Jericho Rosales, ikaw lang ang guy dito. I mean, si Jay also is a writer, but you're a cast. Go!
Bilang na only boy dito. Okay lang din. I don't know, like in the context of, mahirap ba maging loyal ngayon because of social
Siguro
media?
because of the temptations na nakikita mo yung mga pictures and everything.
Kung ilalapit mo yung sarili mo sa apoy. Of course, I mean, that's Facebook Marketplace nga lang, hirap na eh. Ang dami naman nabibili ng gano'n eh. I like Janine's answer kasi depende sa character mo yun eh. If you
It's
know
really
na-
you eh, no?
Oh, it's really you. If ano nung susceptible ka sa failure at sa alam mo yun, pag-fall at pag gano'n, hindi mo na ilapit yung sarili mo doon. You have to build your character and yourself first before, mahirap. Ano yung isang question?
Or, mas madali nang mahuli ang hindi loyal.
Ay, hindi, okay. Oo na kagad yung sagot doon. But I think it's, the former that yung, kung loyalty yung pag-uusapan.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're single, then sige, go. Diba? Bahala ka sa buhay mo, diba? Kahit anong gawin mo. But if you know that you're gonna hurt someone, huwag ka na dyan. Huwag ka na dyan. Iwas ka na dyan.
I wanna hear Carlota. Maika, anong masasabi mo dito? Tahi-tahimik mo dyan sa gilid.
Kasi naman may bubble na. Pinag-uusapan natin, napapraning tuloy ako. Hindi.
So, mas mahirap pang maging loyal in this social media era?
I think it's always hard to be loyal. It's just test lang ng boundaries and morals mo as a person. So, if a person doesn't want to be loyal or isn't or susceptible to being unloyal or unfaithful, ano siguro, kailangan pa niya maging matatag sa life. Kasi, with the accessibility now, it really is a challenging thing. So, to have someone who is loyal and that will stand by you is such a blessing. And kailangan talaga yun. Like Sophia always goes, you need to be, it's rare. Yes, so loyalty is rare. So you have to treasure that.
Iba yung pinost mo, Sophia. Loyalty is rare. Thank you, guys, for answering that question.